Hey, it's Ricky from Ravek, and I'm here for your Dennis Kirk product spotlight. All right guys, so today we're gonna talk about our Apex lights. We've got them mounted up as bumper lights here, but they're really versatile. You can see we also have them as cab lights up top. They're completely turn signal compatible with any street legal kit. So Harry, give it a left turn. You can see these blinking amber. You can hook any of them up as turn signals. They're super durable. They come with a roll bar mount, so you can mount them on a curved surface like this or on a flat. Let's run to the back for a second. You can mount them anywhere really on the back side of the machine as well. So we've chose to do on the roll bar here, but you can do them on the flat surface. We've seen people use them as a third brake light up top, and they pair really well with our tail light series and our other lights that are available as well. So if you want to get Apex lights for your machine, 100% plug and play for over 35 models, check DennisKirk.com, get a set, and you know what they do. They ship today, baby.